Hello everyone. In this video, let's look at this question. The question says, a jogger is training for a 15-kilometer charity race. He starts with a run of 500 meters, then he increases the distance he runs daily by 200 meters. And the first question says, how many days will it take the jogger to reach a distance of 15 kilometers in the training? The second question says there, calculate the total distance would have run in the training. So if you look at this question, you will see that this is real life application of AP. All right, so let's start our solution. Now, we said solution, the n term of an AP is given by Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. All right, so A is the first term, n is the number of terms, D is the common difference. You can also use this formula if the last term of the sequence is given. So we have last term is also the same thing as the n term, A plus n minus 1 D. So in this question, you can see that our last term is given, which is what? 15 kilometers. So that's the last term. Our first term is given as 500 meters, and the common difference there is 250 meters. Those are the parameters we need in this exercise. So our A is equal to 500 meters. Our D is equal to 250 meters. And our last term there, because we want to check the number of days that it will take us to get 15 kilometers distance. So our last term is 15 kilometers. 15 kilometers. But if you watch closely, every other thing is in meters. So let's convert this 15 kilometers to meters. So if you do that, 1,000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. So having 15 kilometers is something as saying 15,000 meters. I hope that is clear. So we use this second formula, the formula for last term, to solve this exercise. So our last term is 15,000, which is equal to our first term is 500. Remember that all the parameters I'm using here, they are in meters. Then what I'm looking for is n. Have n minus 1 times our common difference, which is 250. Okay, now from here, I will move this 500 to this part, then I'll have 250 by n minus 1 will give me 15,000 minus 500. Is that clear? So if we do the subtraction, you have 14,500 meters. So from here, we say that 250 into n minus 1 gives us 14,500. So instead of me opening the brackets and later divide again, it's better I divide from here to make life easier. So I will divide through by 250. So if I do that, I'll have that n minus 1 here will give me, this cancels this. If I do that, I'm going to have 58. Okay, so this one, I'll push it to this side. We have that n is equal to 58 plus 1, which is equal to 59 days. And that answers the first question. The first question is asking us how many days will it take us to cover 15 kilometers distance in the training. So the number of days it will take us using the information supplied is 59 days. Then let's quickly look at the second question. The second question says, calculate the total distance he would have run in the training. So in calculating the total distance, what we are getting in this case is the sum of the AP. So the formula for sum, then our first answer, n, is equal to 59 days. So the B part, we are looking at sum now. So we say that sum of first n terms of an AP is given by n over 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. But you can still use this formula if the last term is given, but fortunately for us, the last term is known. Okay, so this is equal to, if the last term is given, you can use this as your sum of first n term as n over 2 to bracket a plus l. L is the last term. Surprising, right? So I will use this second formula. So we are looking at sum. We are adding from day 1 to day 59. So we have that S59 is equal to n. 59 is acting as n now. So we have 59 over 2 into bracket. First term is 500 and the last term is 15,000. I hope that is clear. We have 15,000. Okay, so when you add 500 to 15,000, you have 59 over 2 times 15,500. Okay, so let me divide this 1 by 2. Have 7, bring 1 here, 7, 5, 0. So when you say 59 times 7750, what you get is 7250. Okay, but remember that this, our value is in meters. So let's convert this value to kilometers. What we are saying is that the total sum of distance for the 59 days is this 757,250 meters. So let's convert this value to kilometers. So we have that S59 is equal to 457,250 meters. Or you write it, when you divide this value by 1,000, you have 457.25 kilometers. And that's the end of the solution. Please do not forget to like this video, share and comment. Bye.